Right, can everyone hear me? Yeah. You can't hear me, put your hand up. You'll get that later. Right, thanks a lot everyone for coming. I know some of you have come really far. I thank you everyone for putting all the effort in for the lights as well and putting on your tractors. I know how much they cost. Don't ask me how much I've spent. So Carl is here now. I need to thank the police first and all them guys over there. They've come in on the day off. And this guy's making it all happen as well. So he's going to explain to you how we need to drive so that it's safe. But one thing you need to remember is as well, everyone's watching this event. It's got national coverage, and on your way home from here as well, be courteous to other road users. Don't be messing around because the world's watching. So I'm going to hand you over to Carl a second, and then I'll say a few words afterwards.
Right, I'll alter my voice. So, first and foremost, like I've said in the videos, all you need to do is follow the tractor directly in front of you. Your tyres are to match the tractor in front. The simple reason for that is we've got 10 motorcyclists, you can see over there, who are going to be going past you, silly speed at sometimes, and we need a clear lane. So we need to make sure you're following the tractor in front. Wherever those tyres go, you follow. Second point, if you do have a mechanical problem or you break down as part of the convoy, all you need to do is pull over to the left, put your hazard lights on, and one of the bikers will come to you. If you are the tractor behind the tractor that's broken down, don't pop out until the motorcyclist has told you it's safe to do so. The reason for that is if you see someone have a mechanical in front and you pop right, the chances are you're probably going to take one of my colleagues out. So everybody just stop behind it, we'll make it nice and safe, and then we'll ask you to go forwards. Turning left, turning right, again, don't be caught in the corners for us. If you do have a larger vehicle and you need a bit more of a swing, please everybody, all you need to do, I know you've got your mirrors, just angle them down so you can see the motorcyclists. They will make it safe for you to do so. All the motorcycles will have blue lights on and sirens. If you start hearing the whistle, that's all to the motorcyclist, and we'll use whistles just to get pedestrians' attention. Last point is we've got a number of really high risk crossings. 3 of the main ones are right along the Strand, and that's when we go past Merseyside Police Headquarters, the Hilton Hotel and James Street Junction, which is just before the pier head. Please be aware that as we go past there, the M&S Arena has got a pantomime on tonight with a lot of families being present. The time we go past is the time that's going to be kicking out. So we're going to have a lot of families, probably some impatient ones who are going to try and get across the road. That's why we've got police officers at the pedestrian crossing trying to stop people. If you see somebody jumping in front of you, just slow right down, we'll deal with them, and then just kick on as normal. The motorcyclists are going to take every junction and every pedestrian crossing, so you will always see blue lights in front of you. If you see blue lights and it's on red, you're clear to go, they will guide you through. Is everybody okay with what I've said?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Well, enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Right, so when we get to All the Hay, we're going to go on to Stanley Park. Stanley Park is a massive car park, and we're going to split into 4 lanes. Hopefully there's cones and barriers out, and that's where we're going to do the food bank drop. So when you enter in, if you're all sort of split into 4, go through the food bank and then just merge back where you can again. There's only a couple of people that are going to stay together, so the John Deere is following the big Coca-Cola truck because he's projecting on the back of it. So, but when you merge out the food bank, it doesn't matter if you end up in a slightly different order, but all try and stay in the order that you've left. We want a good mix of tractors throughout the whole convoy. We want some of the ones that are rail decorated near the back as well. At the back of the convoy is nearly better than the front because everyone has come out to see it by that point, and the crowd is amazing. When we get back into Water Lane near the end, last year we told everyone to try and disperse as fast as we could. This year we've all fit in the yard pretty easily, so if people are in a hurry and want to just get off, they can do. If not, if people want to come in the yard, have a bit of a chat and then sort of file off in clumps, because what we don't want to do is 100 tractors suddenly all head off in the same direction without these guys on the bikes, because they'll want to go home. So it's probably wise that we kind of come in the yard and then wait 5 or 10 minutes and leave in groups, if you get me. So if anyone has got a passenger that's sending any videos or tweeting anything like that, try and use the hashtags festive farmers, tractors lit up, things like that, and then that way, if everyone's using the same hashtag, it goes viral on social media and we'll raise as much money as possible. I haven't checked, but about an hour and a half ago we were up to 20,000 and we've not even left yet. Last year we were up to 4,000 before we'd left, so hopefully we'll smash it this year. The target's 50, but really I want to do 100. I don't know where the BBC have gone, but I need to thank them as well, because they've given us loads of coverage and hopefully that'll make us meet that target, so thanks a lot to them there. So I hope you all enjoy it. Stay safe, keep your eyes for them guys, because they're buzzing around like bees.
Midland CB app.
And if you've got the Midland CB app, try and find channel 1 and we can broadcast on that. If you've got an FM radio, tune it to 98 FM, you'll hear Christmas music, but I can also send things to you through that. But the main thing is keep as close a gap as possible without being dangerous, and follow the tram lines of the tractor in front, so that we're just one nice snake and we're not moving about lanes. So I hope you all enjoy it, and thanks a lot everyone for coming, and I'll probably see you back here in about an hour, no, about 4.